Hi, I'm Fudge and welcome to Low Carb Keto Recipes and Having Fun. Today I have a very simple but delicious recipe, quick and easy to make. I have for you a peanut butter chocolate chip fudge. Gets ready in 5 minutes and let me show you what it looks like and do a taste test. Absolutely amazing. Check that out. With bits of peanuts stew in it and chocolate chips. Let me show you some more. Beautiful. So here's my taste test. So we're standing in my kitchen. So let's begin with 1/4 of a cup of melted coconut oil. Next, we have 3 tablespoons of peanut butter that's been at room temperature. 2 tablespoons of any zero carb syrup. I've used a caramel syrup. Next, a handful of peanuts. My peanuts are salted. If not, put 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. And a handful of chocolate chips. I've taken a mold and put them in. You can use cupcake liners or whatever molds you like. Now I'm adding a few more chocolate chips on top and some peanuts. Give it a little tap, tap, tap. And it's ready to go into the freezer for 2-3 hours. And here they are. Yummalicious peanut butter fudge. Thanks for watching.